We have an obligation to ensure that our services are felt across the broad and breadth of this nation. And this is what has brought us to Garissa, to engage the residents of Garissa on the areas and the scope within which we operate as an organization. Just to indicate that we have a responsibility to ensure that there is hygiene in the retirement benefits industry in Kenya, to ensure that pension funds, the 1,040 pension funds which are existing in this nation, that they are properly managed, that there is no privilege of resources, that there is optimal investment earnings, and that when members retire, they go home with commensurate benefits to the services that they offered during their working life. The second issue is to ensure that any member of a pension fund who has worked or who has retired or who has exited from service, because people do not necessarily work up to the age of 60. There are some who leave service area, that they are paid their benefits when they are due at any given time, and actually enforce the law to ensure that the benefits are paid within 30 days.
They should make arrangements for retirement before they retire. Everybody knows when he's getting out of job. So as you approach, you go to your ministry headquarters or your department headquarters and ensure that your documents are in order.
Kwa wananchi wakiendelea kuja kupata hizi services ambazo ziko hapa, ile tumeongezea ni hii ya Retirement Benefit Authority, na mkurugenzi mkuu ameelezea kwa upana kwa nini huu ni umuhimu sana kwa wananchi. Kwa sababu ni lazima tujipange wakati huu, tuko na uwezo tuweke akiba ya siku zijazo.
Haya, na ripoti hiyo ni